Students, today I shall solve the problems of exercise 3.3 based on divisibility test. We have to use divisibility test for the given numbers. Look at the given table in exercise 3.3. Number 128. First, 128 is divisible by 2 because 8 is at its ones place. We know 128 is not divisible by 3 because the sum of its digits 1 plus 2 plus 8 equal to 11, and 11 is not divisible by 3, so the number 128 is not divisible by 3. As we know, if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then the number will be divisible by 3 also. 128 is divisible by 4 because its last digits form 28. 2 and 8, 28, and it is divisible by 4, so 128 is divisible by 4. Next, 128 is not divisible by 5 because digits at ones place is not 0 or 5, because digits in 128 we see unit place digit is 8 and it should be 0 and 5. As we know, a number can be divisible by 5 if its digits at ones place be 0 or 5. 128 is not divisible by 6 because it is not divisible by 3. It is divisible by 2, but it is not divisible by 3. For a number to be divisible by 6, the number should be divisible by 3 and 2 and 3 both. 128 is divisible by 8. You can do it by actual division. You can divide it by 9. 128 is not divisible by 9 because sum of its digits 1 plus 2 plus 8 equal to 11, which is not divisible by 9, so the number is not divisible by 9. Again, 128 is not divisible by 10 because at its ones place is not 0, because at its ones place digit is not 0. Digit is not 0. For a number divisible by 10, the number should have 0 at its ones place. By 11, 128 is not divisible by 11 because the sum of the digits at its odd places from the right 8 is in the right, from the right 8 plus 1, 8 is at ones place and 11 is at hundreds place. The sum 8 is at ones place and 1 is at hundreds place, so there and both are at odd places, and their sum equal to 8 plus 1 equal to 9. Again, sum of the digits at its even places from the right 2 is at tens place, so its sum is 2 because only 1 2 is at even place, and the difference 9 minus 2 equal to 7. Sum of the digits at ones place minus sum of the digits at odd places minus sum of the digits at even places, and their difference equal to 9 minus 2 equal to 7, which is not divisible by 11 because 7 is not divisible by 11, so the number is not divisible by 11. Here you see 8 is at ones place and 1 is at hundreds place, and 8 and 1 both digits are at odd places and their sum equal to 9. Again, 2 is at even place and it is at tens place, 2 is only at even place, so their sum will be 2, and now the difference of the sum of the numbers at odd places and minus sum of the digits at even places equal to 7, which is not divisible by 11. So the number is not divisible by 11. That's it today.